Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So after my work trip in Berlin, Germany, I took the train over to Prague in Czech. So about 4 hours by train, and I'm spending here in Prague for the weekend before my other business meetings in London next week. So I'm going to spend my weekend here. So I'm staying at Sir Prague. Okay, the name of the hotel is Sir, S-I-R, and then Prague, and it is part of the design hotel, which is part of the Marriott Bonvoy program as well. But it's not completely Marriott Bonvoy program because they will give me points, but not breakfast. So if I need to have breakfast tomorrow morning, I need to pay about 22 euros, which I have opted in to try at least for one day and see what it's like. And then for the next day, I'm going out very early, and then I'm heading to the airport, flying from Prague to London. So I may be only needing it for one day, so it is okay, for me. So anyway, I'm going to give you a very quick room tour. Actually, they have slightly upgraded me to get a bigger room, so you can see my room is a little bit slightly bigger than the other rooms. And this is a design hotel, and I quite like the color tone, the design and everything. So I'm going to give you my first take room tour. What you see is what I got, and there is no script or anything. So now I'm walking in. On my right is the bathroom. So you can see they have the essence, they have the sink, they have the nice amenity, and then the plugs here, so the hair dryer here, so I can use the hair dryer in the washroom. And they have a pretty spacious walk-in tub. Okay, so rain shower, as well as the amenities, full amenities. But you can see they do not have the bathtub, so they only have the stand-up shower. Okay, so the heated towel and then the toilet. Okay, so walking out here is the closet. So they do have 2 pair of slippers, and then they do have bathrobes above. And I just put in my jacket with a few hangers, and then I just love that. The best part of doing laundry is not having to do laundry. So that's the laundry service, and then the safe deposit box is here. Okay, so let's check out what is next. Okay, just more shelf space. Okay, now coming to the room itself. According to kind of European standard, this is quite a nice spacious room already. So you can see they have the kettle, they have the Nespresso coffee machine. Let's check out, they do have capsules here. And then what is inside? Oops, sorry. Oh, sugar. Okay. Lovely. And they do have the proper glassware. And of course, all the snacks, even the adapter, if you forgot to bring, you can buy it here. The price is here. And then a fully stocked mini bar. All right. Okay. And then they have the luggage rack, but it's nice that the size fit in, but if you have a bigger luggage like mine, it probably won't fit, and you have to find another place to put it. And then this is the work desk, and then they do have a welcome amenity. Oh, it's water. Interesting. Okay, we got spoiled in other part of the world. That water is a given, but anyway, it's nice. Thank you. Welcome to Sir Prague. Okay. Yeah, you know, they say hand painted art to morning comfort, and that's true. I'm going to show you around the hotel. The design element of the hotel itself is great. And, you know, this is, you know, the fun, old school, but modern radio and stuff. Okay. The place to do some work with a small sitting area. And then this is the bed, you know, like the bedboard and all the paintings and everything. You know, that's the hand painted, you know, that's a reflection, but it's very nice. And even the bedboard, you know, the linen and that one is very classy, very nicely coordinated, you know. And I just like the design element of this room. So back to the room itself, you know, my usual standard, very thick king coil mattress, you know, nice duvet, nice pillow, frets and nice frets pillow, and all those. Okay, so and one thing also that I like is they have very high ceiling. So even the curtain is very bright. Okay. It's close to the opposite. I'm just looking, you know. But it's very nice, very bright here. Okay, so as I say, I'm going to have breakfast tomorrow here, and I'm going to show you. And I'm going to be here for 3 nights before I fly back to London Monday morning to continue with my meetings. So please continue to watch and follow me.